Amidst the storm of India's first struggle for independence in 1857, one name stands out as a beacon of courage and sacrifice. Moulvi Muhammad Baqir, the first journalist to lay down his life for the nation. Born in 1780 in Delhi, Moulvi Muhammad Baqir was the son of Moulvi Muhammad Akbar Ali, a revered spiritual leader. Educated at Delhi College, Baqir initially pursued various professions from teaching to administrative roles. But his true calling emerged in 1836 when he entered the realm of journalism. In January 1837, Baqir launched the Delhi Akhbar, a pioneering Urdu weekly. Over the years, it became a symbol of resistance, evolving into Delhi Urdu Akhbar and finally Akbar al-Zafar in July 1857, honoring the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar. As the flames of rebellion sparked across India on May 10, 1857, Baqir's paper became a rallying cry for freedom. It was a fierce advocate for Hindu-Muslim unity and a relentless critique of British oppression. Through its pages, Baqir encouraged the masses to unite and fight for their independence. On June 4, 1857, his fearless voice rang out warning of British conspiracies and urging unity. But the British could not tolerate his defiance. On September 14, 1857, Baqir was arrested for his role in the revolt. Just 2 days later, on September 16, he faced the firing squad of Major William S.R. Hudson. Moulvi Muhammad Baqir's martyrdom marked him as the first editor to sacrifice his life for India's freedom struggle. His legacy lives on as a testament to the power of the press and the indomitable spirit of those who fought for liberty. Remembering Moulvi Muhammad Baqir, his bravery, his sacrifice and his unwavering commitment to the cause of freedom. His story remains a powerful chapter in the annals of our nation's history.